up, guys? It's been a couple of days now. Today is Saturday. It's July 27th.
Happy birthday!
It's my birthday. So far, we've gone to places that have been pretty awesome. First day, we went to Wild Florida. The second day, we went to Devil's Den. And today, we're going to Kelly Park. Kelly Park.
Whoa, that's
Whoa.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Completely full?
Yeah, we're full.
Okay.
So we learned if you ever want to go to a springs here in Florida,
Dang.
you should go early.
Is that normal?
Alright, let me call.
Also, yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
Thankfully, we had the baits. And we had another plan. So we didn't give up. We went and we picked up some canoes and we got ready to go. Our first adventure was the Wekiva River. There were some live gators in there.
Oh.
It was a little scary at first.
Oh, I thought that was a gator right there.
We'll still be up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up.
Little baby. Oh, baby gator.
Catch some alligators.
There's a mom. There's a mom nearby. No.
Don't touch them.
There was a tree that fell, so we all had to get out and carry our canoes over it. And then we were on our way. With good company, it was really relaxing. And so cool to be on the river.
There we go. Now I got you, Brittany. Here's mangroves. You're on candid camera. Oh yeah, me too. I was ready to swim.
I've never been there before.
Oh yeah?
The number one cause of death in Africa is not animals.
Snake?
Which animal?
Ants.
Hippopotamus. Thank goodness we don't have those.
Yeah, for real.
I know my African trivia. Someday I'm gonna go there.
What's a gar?
It's an alligator gar.
Is it a fish?
Yeah.
Half gator?
Yeah. Where is it?
It's right there on the log. You see it? It's like a orangey one. They're coming. We're gonna get them.
Yeah, beat him now. Go, 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 go.
Keep going, keep going. Go, go, go.
Faster, Garrett, faster.
Got a few folks. You're dead. We are doing the final round. Who will win to get back? But the red boat isn't racing, so that means Garrett's team wins. Because we are not going to be playing. And now we have hit.
Now hold on.
You can see. You can see we have hit, and now we're holding on. And so we are holding on. We have hit the boat. They are trying to kick us off.
Go help me.
We might die. Let's see what they're doing.
Where we need to go.
There she blows. Oh, good job. Thank you.
Yeah. I will get in the water for this.
So good. Okay.
Yes. No.
Yeah, the sun came out. Brother Bates is doing so much work.
Oh yeah. Got so much energy, I might as well let him go.
From back here, you do your work all night.
Whoa, no, fall down.
Want to know why?
Good job.
So wait.
Keep going.
Get over. You know what? I'm taking care of that.
Bye.
Ah!
What's going on here? Bye.
Big leg, just let go.
I can't take off.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Grab the paddle, Lucy. Lucy, grab the paddle. Grab the paddle.
Where is it?
We're not going anywhere right now.
I can go. Go.
Where's your paddle? No, Daddy! Yes, it worked.
You know what's crazy is that this river is in your old area. Y'all never got to do anything like this.
So I don't know if you could tell, but Garrett
There's
and
two.
Ollie
They're across from each
really
other.
wanted to catch an alligator.
See him? 1, 2.
Can you guys get on the side so it doesn't go that way?
Guys, just saying the one on.
He thinks he's gonna catch it.
No,
You're sitting down, right?
Wait for it. And
Right there. You go.
I'm fucking my elbow. Hey, why don't you get me out of this corner over here? I'm like an alligator alligator. Hey, get me out of the tree.
And just like that, boys get distracted. We're winning.
Lucy, what do you think?
Good that we're winning.
Good that we're winning.
Oh, this is. So I'm sorry to do this to you, but I'm actually gonna change this into 2 videos.
Cool.
Don't worry. I will make the next video.
That's like classic for what he's doing right now.
Until then, enjoy Garrett singing.